Welcome, you wonderful car count hackers. You know Kevin Harrington. He's one of the original sharks from Shark Tank. He's also the founder of As Seen on TV, and he's probably considered the father of the modern day infomercial. On this video, I'm going to show you one weird hack that you can use to take Kevin Harrington's one rule that built a multi-million-dollar fortune and use it to sell more service in your repair shop. Go ahead and buckle up because we're starting right now. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome to Car Count Hackers. If it's your first time here and you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, smash that subscribe button, ring the bell icon. That way, when I share new tips, tricks, and weird hacks, you'll be the first to know. One of my mentors happens to be an associate of Mr. Kevin Harrington, and he told me that Kevin Harrington had one rule to determine whether he would get involved in a product and put it on an infomercial. And that one rule was it had to be demonstrable. In other words, he had to be able to show dramatic demonstration of what this product does. Now, the good news is this weird hack isn't going to cost you a single penny. Right now, I'm going to explain it to you and then give you 3 hacks that you need to follow in order to get the maximum bang for your buck. Well, there is no buck involved, but you get the point. Use this simple hack. It really doesn't matter what you're selling. It could be brake service, it could be tires, it could be fluid changes, cooling system service. It really doesn't matter. The trick is you want to use pictures to sell your service. And I'm talking simple pictures from your cell phone. Nothing serious, something that you do probably every day. Why would you want to do that? Because you've heard it before. A picture's worth 1,000 words. But don't run away, because there's 3 hacks that you got to know in order to do this properly. Hack number 1 is, and this may take 2 or 3 pictures for you to do to communicate to the customer, but you want to take one picture and put some context in it. And what do I mean by that? Well, if we travel to Paris, France, and I took a picture of you in front of the Eiffel Tower that was just your portrait, no one would know where it come from. But if I showed the Eiffel Tower in the background, it would become obvious that that picture was taken in France. Same thing if I sent you a picture of a motherboard for your computer and said, here's where the problem is. And, well, it really doesn't mean anything to you, and you don't even know that it come out of your computer. So you want to put some context into this. Can you take a shot that shows the problem and part of the customer's car? Because they'll recognize that. Let's face it, when it comes to customers, they don't know a brake rotor from a radiator cap. So you need to put some context in your picture. Hack number 2 is point to what you want them to see. Like I said, they don't know the difference between a brake rotor and a radiator cap. How do you expect them to figure out what you're trying to show them? So just use your finger and point to what you want them to see. Hack number 3, can you demonstrate the difference between new and old? As an example, can you show your customer what their brake pad looks like versus a brand new brake pad? Can you show them what their dirty coolant looks like or dirty brake fluid looks like? It's something where you have to do a little bit of education in order to sell the job and prove to your customer that you are the expert. So let's get to know each other. Leave me a comment and tell me if you use pictures to sell your service and how you use pictures, and will these 3 pro hacks help you in getting better pictures to sell your service? And the only other thing you have to do now is smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon right next to it. That way, every time I upload new tips, tricks, and weird hacks, you'll be the first to be notified, and I'll help you grow your car count, income, and profits. I'm Matthew Lee. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care. Talk soon.